Hi there. My name is Julia Barker. I am currently enrolled in my second semester of the Fitness and Health Promotion Program at Georgian College. For my industry placement, I had the amazing opportunity to coach CrossFit and kettlebell and row classes at the Barbell Academy. The Barbell Academy is a fitness facility that offers CrossFit, kettlebell and row, and yoga classes, as well as fitness testing, personal training, and individual programs. They are located at 580 Bayfield Street in Barrie. Check them out online at barbellacademy.ca. I have been doing CrossFit since 2015, and I got my Level 1 trainer certificate in October. As a member of the Barbell Academy, I approached the head coach and co-owner, Mike, to ask if he would take me on as a part-time coach. Thankfully, he agreed, and I got started. At the start of the semester, I set 5 goals for my placement. The first was to learn how to assess new clients. I was able to watch Mike perform functional movement screenings to identify movement limitations and training opportunities for clients. I would still like to learn more about the skinfold caliber measurements he took as well. My second goal was to maintain a piece of gym equipment known as the air assault bike. These are commonly found in CrossFit gyms around the world. I learned that sweat is highly corrosive, so proper cleaning after use is essential. I was also able to check that all bolts and screws were tight and that the air assault bike was safe and fit for use by members. My third goal was to create a list of operational costs for the facility. Mike and I chatted about the costs of Concept 2 rowers being over $1,000 each. It seemed that buying high-quality equipment was well worth the price tag. Since the gym is not air-conditioned, this saves around $300 a month in the summer. My fourth goal was to use the Zen Planner software effectively. I was able to check members into classes, view attendance logs, add credit to members' accounts, and process transactions. I could do this either on the main Mac at the reception desk or using the gym's iPad while out on the gym floor. My last goal was to learn client acquisition techniques. Membership has nearly tripled in the past year, and Mike said the largest contributor was word of mouth. He does not pay for advertising, but does have an active website, Facebook page, and Instagram. He advised me to not be afraid to be myself, as the right membership will be drawn to that. As my placement progressed, I had the opportunity to set new goals I hadn't considered before. For example, I became proficient with their point-of-sale system. They sell protein powders, bars, and coffee on a regular basis, and accept cash, debit, and credit. I am now comfortable processing all of these transactions myself. Speaking of coffee, I also learned how to use their espresso machine. This continues to be one of the most challenging parts of my placement, as I have only ever drank plain black coffee. I am confident with espressos and Americanos now, but still need to practice steaming milk for lattes and cappuccinos. I also had the opportunity to learn about myofascial release using foam rollers, lacrosse balls, softball sticks, and other tools. Mike taught me a full body routine, and I was able to actually lead 2 classes through it myself afterwards. This was great as I had plenty of time to talk with the clients during the routine and got to know the members much better. I wanted to find out the best ways to motivate these clients. I learned the value of recording scores and times on the whiteboard after each workout. Clients could track their own performance, see progress, and push to beat their previous times. Certain clients also enjoyed friendly competition with other members and would push to beat their friends' scores. Another motivational key was to be their biggest cheerleader. Words of encouragement could push a member to try something they hadn't done before, pick the bar up a bit sooner than they would on their own, or not give up when their mind is telling them they can't. My favorite moment is when a client thanks me after class for my support during the workout and tells me how much it mattered to them. I found that music selection can also make or break a workout for most people. I tried to play music that best suited the type of workout we were doing that day, at a volume appropriate for either instruction-based skill work or high-intensity training. My DJ skills still need some improvement, as I am less familiar with iTunes playlists compared to Spotify. The last motivational tool was ensuring I celebrated success. After each WOD, I gave each member a congratulatory fist bump and let them know they did a good job. If anyone PR'd a lift, time, or score on a benchmark workout, they got to ring this bell. Everyone in the gym would then give a round of applause and congratulate them on their personal achievement. A goal that I am still working on is being able to multitask more efficiently. As I become more comfortable coaching, I will naturally be able to do more at once. If I have downtime while members are setting up their equipment, I will put a load of towels in the washing machine or dryer. Although these tasks aren't required of me, I like to help out when possible. I absolutely love my experience coaching here and wish to continue next semester. I want to learn more about technique for weightlifting, gymnastics, running, rowing, and stretching. This will be a lifelong goal of mine. Luckily, I received some good advice on books, websites, and seminars I can attend that will increase my knowledge of these components. My first recommendation to others considering this placement is to be inclusive. The Barbell Academy is one of the most inclusive gyms I have ever been to and adamantly supports the LGBTQ community. All members are part of the Barbell Academy's community and need to feel welcome and respected. My second piece of advice is to start taking CrossFit classes. You will need to gain familiarity with the methodology, equipment, technique, and membership base before starting. If you aren't passionate about CrossFit, this probably isn't a good option for you. If you can get your Level 1 CrossFit Trainer certificate, that is definitely an added bonus. The question I would like you to consider is CrossFit a fad, or is it here to stay? I believe the heavy emphasis on functional movement patterns, proper scaling and progressions, and community means it will be around for years to come. What do you think? Leave your thoughts in the comments below.